obokoreri ase sekta yetugo nigo ritkuria rera babwatani korwe kaunti ya Kisii, Nyamira, Migori na Boigo, Homa Bay batwara egeikaro hime omubaganio yomo hime yomochio bosongo eri gosangereria ebirengererio igoro y'Omoswada O Anitrac gose Animal Identification and Traceability. Okwana nigo bairera obuya bw'Omoswada oyo unagokiania okwambukira kwa maroire ogotanga oboibi negati yayande amange.
Here we have come with a bill which we call Animal Identification and Traceability Bill, which has been developed recently. Now this bill is a further development of the earlier bill which was called the Branding Act, which has been overtaken by events. Technologies have changed. So the Branding Act is the one that we used to have, and originally it used to have basically the issue of hot iron branding, ile ya kuchoma. But now with the Anitrac, we have got new technologies that have come, the electronic, those ones which are live, that you can know the position of the animal as it moves around. So this bill is basically trying to provide for that, and we have brought it here so that the stakeholders can have a look, examine it. If there are any things they feel they are not comfortable with, there are concerns about it, they can advise us so that we can revise it in the process of finalizing it before it goes to Parliament. So here we have basically come to expose the bill to the stakeholders, then they can look at it, have an agreement on it, then they can tell us which areas to improve before we push it to the AG for final drafting. Yes. Now the bill itself is for animal identification. It's an act of Parliament. It will be for animal identification and traceability, and it will serve several purposes. One of the key things that it will do is the issue of identification. Animal identification will now be official. Every farmer will be required to register himself, and his animals will be registered. Then they will have the gadgets that will eventually be used for that identification. It will carry a lot of information about the animal, issues to do with the disease, feeds, and so on. The other thing that this bill will do, objective, is it will help in enhancing access of our livestock and livestock products to the markets. If you go to especially the external markets, regional and external markets, there are normally requirements that we are expected to fulfill. One of them is you should be able to trace the animal from birth to the time it has reached market level. So once you don't have that capacity, especially the European, the Middle East markets where the prices are very good, you find that your animals will not access that market. So with the introduction of this technology, it will mean we shall enhance access of our products, livestock and livestock products, to the external markets. The other key thing that this bill will do is to help in the tracing, surveillance of diseases, issues of vaccinations, and eradication of transboundary animal diseases. The other key thing that it will do is the issue of theft of animals. So with that identification and traceability, it will help in reduction of issues to do with theft of